Angel walked up to my door, opened the windows to my soul, told me he think that I should know there's no slowing down.
What's up, y'all? I'm Queen, aka Q Soul Food. Y'all go ahead and like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your notification bell. Become part of the loyal family. We have nothing but love over here, and it keeps it real. Y'all, I just have a nice quick video today. I'm just eating on some cocktail shrimp, which I don't know why I had to taste for this, but listen, I'm not gonna waste no time. How are y'all doing today? Let me know in the comments how y'all doing. Got my little bag over here. So y'all, anybody looking forward to 2021? Yes, no, maybe so. I mean, it's gonna be like any other year. It's gonna have its ups and downs. For me, I'm just ready for my shows to come back. Yes. I'm talking, I'm missing 911, 911 Lone Star, Snowfall, All American, the Wu-Tang Saga, Stranger Things on Netflix. Man, that's just to name a few of them. Black Lightning, I don't even know if Black Lightning coming back, but I like that little show. Y'all got any shows y'all looking forward to? Any movies? I know I'm in a drought right now. Like, goodness. My little TV shows be my little distraction sometimes. That cocktail sauce is so good. But yeah, I'm ready. 2021. Bring it on. 2020. I've been done with 2020. I'm sure we all been done with 2020. My. Y'all, did I ask y'all to like and comment? And subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead. Become part of the family. Come chill with your girl. I mean, why not? I was gonna make this ASMR video, but I was like, I feel like I ain't really sat down and talked to y'all in a while. Well, I told y'all I was sick last week. Well, I got sick last week. I'm still getting over it. For some reason, I'm one of them people, when I get sick, I be sick for like 2 weeks, man. Like, just please, stop it already. How is y'all's weather? I am in Houston, Texas. It was raining, but now it's just cold. It was cold and rainy. Now it's just cold. I know back home in Ohio, y'all had already had a frost advisory at the beginning of the month. So how everybody else weather looking? We definitely have our heat on already. I hope it ain't too cold of a winter. You gotta pinch that meat out, baby. Just pinch that thing and pull the whole thing out. It's like, how can something so simple be so good? Yeah, I got my room temperature water. Y'all, I have no problem with room temperature water. People look at me like I'm crazy. For me, I either need it ice cold or I need it room temperature. I can't have no in between. Whew. Like it up if you're a water drinker. That water be hitting differently, man. For me, I only drink water and Gatorade. I told y'all. Water and Gatorade. We do Kool-Aid sometimes. And I keep Pepsi in the house, but... oh, excuse me. That's for a treat. That Pepsi will tear you up, man. That dark soda, boy. As you get older, you learn to take care of yourself a little bit better. I'm still learning, y'all. I'm getting there. Everybody out here still learning. Don't come in the comments talking about, it's okay, baby. I know, y'all. It's okay. I'm here to tell y'all it's okay. It's okay, y'all. Speaking of, it's okay. Are y'all okay? I have a question. Me and Veil the Truth. Veil the Truth would be the, the man up and around his hair parts. And the question is it a choice to be happy? Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna tell y'all what I think, but let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think it's a choice to be happy? Veil the Truth said yes and no, which I totally understand. I say flat out yes. I say yes, it is definitely a choice to be happy. For me, I've seen the dark side of myself. I've seen myself in the bad days, the ugly days, like at my worst. And I know that that's not how I want to be. So I had to pull myself out of that in order for me to, be happy. It was a choice. I could have stayed like that, but I didn't like myself like that. So I said, no, it's time to change. You have to make that choice. That is just my opinion based off me. There is no right or wrong answer in my opinion, but for me, it's definitely a choice to be happy. I don't come on here preaching and telling y'all, it's okay, turn your day around, it's gonna be all right, because it is. I'm telling y'all, make that choice. It's okay. Be happy. It's easy to sit there and be, I told y'all before, it's easy to sit there and be in that dark space. It's easy, but if you know that's not you and you know you're not happy like that, change it. Definitely. Change whatever it is you have to. And it's easier said than done, definitely. But it's steps to take. You can work towards it, definitely. I tell y'all this all the time. Change it around. But I want to know what y'all think. Do y'all think being happy is a choice? I'm telling y'all. Once you get out here and you see it's so much more in life, you got to give yourself more credit. Being happy is part of self-care, y'all. You owe it to yourself. Definitely. You deserve it. You deserve to be happy. Make that choice. Don't sit around all day in your dark space, At least 10 minutes a day, find something that make you happy. Something. Little steps. Work towards it. Something. Yeah. That baby look good from back here. Let me know what you think, YouTube fam. Q Soul Food is a free space. Okay? You can definitely always say how you feel here. Because we are not tripping at all. For some of y'all just gotta stop being so judging. Y'all stop being worried about the next person. Okay? When you in your own lane doing you let other people be who they are, that's a step towards happiness. Listen, because you're not worried about nobody else, you're worried about you. Okay? That's your little bit of selfishness that you owe to yourself, to worry about you and not nobody else. Something so good, so simple, y'all. That cocktail sauce is banging, man. But y'all, I just wanted to come and talk to y'all and see how y'all doing. Hello to anybody new. Hey. Go ahead, subscribe. And while y'all here, say hey to the family. See how the family doing. I know y'all like, girl, you just be talking sometimes. I do. Y'all, I have the worst habit. Anybody who knows me has experienced this with me. I have a habit of talking to myself, like out loud, like thinking to myself out loud when I'm talking to people. Like, I don't know, in the middle of conversations, it's like I be thinking out loud and people think I'm talking to them. And it's like I am, but I'm not. It's hard to explain, y'all. Your girl is a little bit everywhere. I should have showed y'all how beautiful they were before the sauce was even on them. That's my bad, y'all. I wish I had a little bit of lemon that I could have drizzled on there. Y'all been forgetting my lemons like crazy on my with my seafood, these mukbangs, these last few ones. I keep forgetting my lemons. I don't know, but I mean, hey, you know what's good when you ain't even looking for them. I'm just saying, not to be cocky. Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I do hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Become part of the loyal family. We have nothing but love over here, and we keeps it real. Y'all, I'm Queen, aka Q Soul Food, and thank you for watching. I love you guys. Goodbye.